we are discussing about the integration of the design e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx. When the integration is of this design, what was our procedure? What was our procedure? We were leaving that f dash x integration with f dash x, and we were solving integration with fx. And here the second one what we have left, that generally cancels. Okay, let us come to this question. This is e to the power x 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x. This question is directly is not in that design. We will have to manipulate. We will have to do a little bit manipulation here. We will do in this way. E to the power x, I can write 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And in the denominator, what is the formula for 1 minus cos x? Is it 2 sin square x by 2? Have you remembered? So we will use that. 2 sin square x by 2 here. 2 sin square x by 2. You see what left and what is cancelling. E to the power x 1 by 2 cos x square x by 2 minus cot x by 2. You see, derivative of cot x by 2 minus cot x by 2 is half cos x square x by 2. Yeah, this is my fx and this is my f dash x. Okay, now what shall I do? I will have to leave that integration with f dash x. So this is e to the power x 1 by 2 cos x square x by 2 dx. I shall leave this minus whole integration cot x by 2 into e to the power x dx. This integration I shall do. So I got e to the power x by 2 cos x square x by 2 integration minus, now I will start. This is my first function, this is my second function. First into integration of second, it is cot x by 2 integration of e to the power x is itself minus whole integration derivative of first, derivative of cot x by 2 you see minus cos x square x by 2 into x by 2's derivative 1 by 2. Integration of second is e to the power x. This you see what it become, integration e to the power x cos x square x by 2 divided by 2 dx minus e to the power x cot x by 2 minus 3 minus signs are there, so it is minus integration e to the power x cos x square x by 2 by 2 plus c. You see what is cancelling, that cancel. So I got the result. मुझे result मिल गया. Okay, so sometimes we need a little bit manipulation to solve this design of questions. Okay, come to this question. A similar question is ahead. आगे similar question है, we will take. Now this question, where I have kept that. Yes, this question. चलो, we are coming from that question. वही question से आते हैं. So this one, you will have to do little bit manipulation. कैसे? How to do manipulation? E to the power x, here x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, या here by x plus 1 whole square. थोड़ा सा manipulate करना पड़ेगा. So now it cancelled. It is e to the power x 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is my fx, this is f dash x. How I know? How I know this is f dash x? I know d by dx of 1 by x plus 1 is, yeah, this is x plus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, so its derivative is minus 1 into x plus 1 power minus 2. Okay, this one. So what is our procedure? You do integration, you separate them. Integration you will have to separate. Fx wala you will do integration, f dash x you will have to leave. Okay, can you do this? Let us go to the next question. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. No e to the power x. Still it is of the same design. How it is, let us see. Okay, now you see. Can I write this as integration log x plus 1 minus 1 by log x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by log x plus 1 whole square. Mark this integration. 1 cancelled. So 1 by log x plus 1 dx minus integration dx by log x plus 1 whole square. Now you know, in the denominator the power increases if I differentiate. So therefore, ये integration of this one is this one. कैसे होगा देखते हैं. Now I write this one is my first function and into 1 is the second function. So first into integration of second, 1 by log x plus 1 integration of 1 is x minus whole integration derivative of first. What is d by dx of 1 plus log x power minus 1. 1 by 1 plus log x plus 1. It is log x plus 1 power minus 1. What is its derivative? Minus 1. Okay, 1 plus log x power minus 2 into derivative of thing inside. 1 derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So shall I write? It is minus 1 by x into log x plus 1 whole square into integration of second, that is x, minus integration, that one what we have left, dx by log x plus 1 whole square. So x cancelled, you see, minus minus plus, here is minus, these two cancelled. So what is my result? It is x by log x plus 1 plus c. This is my result. This is a question, board question, 2 बार आ चुका है. आइए, all of you are writing these things. Now you see, let us separate. Mark the process. It is log of log x into 1 dx plus integration dx by log x square. Mark, when I differentiate log of log x, shall I get 1 by log x? So I will integrate this. Okay, so I will have to integrate this one. Now this is my first function, this one is my second function. So first into integration of second, log x into integration of second, one integration of 1 is x minus whole integration derivative of first. What is derivative of log x? Log of something, 1 by that thing, 1 by log x into derivative of that thing, derivative of log x, 1 by x, into integration of second function, it was x dx, plus dx by log x whole square. Now here x cancel. Again, I will have to differentiate. This is my first function and 1 is second. It is x log x minus integration. Oh, we will have to use by parts. First function 1 by log x. Integration of second, it is 1. Integration of 1 is x minus whole integration derivative of first. What is derivative of 1 by log x? Matlab log x power minus 1. What is its derivative? Minus 1 log x power minus 2 into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So I will write this, that is minus 1 by x log x whole square into integration of second, it is x dx plus ये वाला, that is integration dx by log x whole square. Okay, now let us open the bracket. It is x log x minus x by log x. Here minus minus minus, 3 minus are there, तो plus ना माइनस, 3 माइनस है वो माइनस, x कैंसल, 1 by log x whole square, ये 1 by log x whole square, these two integrals cancelled, plus. Okay, mark this, इसको 2-3 बार करना है. Got the idea? Let us go ahead. Note down this, then we will have to go. चलो next.
Yes, sir.
ये डिजाइन, it is a very good design of integration. Okay, it is in your book, but in your book a little bit smaller question is there. We will have to take a general question, IH. Okay, now always we take exponential function as our second function, other function as first function. ILATE exponential last में आता है, तो I will have to start doing integration. First into integration of second, very sincerely you mark. First, sin cx plus b. Integration of e to the power ax plus b. It is e to the power ax plus b divided by coefficient of x. We have done several times by minus whole integration derivative of first, sin of something derivative cos cx plus b into derivative of thing inside, it is c. Integration of second, e to the power ax plus b divided by a dx. Got the idea? So what I got? It is systematically we shall write e to the power ax plus b sin cx plus d, here x 1 by a, minus, mark here, c by a, minus c by a, bracket, integration of cos cx plus d into e to the power x plus b dx. Again we do integration, क्योंकि हमारा repeat नहीं हुआ. As I told you earlier, I will have to sometimes make the integration repeat, then only it will be more easy. So again it is first and it is second. चलो, it is 1 by a e to the power ax plus b sin cx plus b minus c by a bracket. First into integration of second cos cx plus b. Integration of second is e to the power x plus b by a minus whole integration derivative of first. Derivative of cos cx plus d, it is minus sin cx plus d divided होगा ना, इंटू होगा, इंटू c, देन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड e to the power ax plus b by a. चलो, this is 1 by a e to the power ax plus b sin cx plus b. Let us take this in bracket open करते हैं, minus c by a square e to the power x plus b cos cx plus d over, then 1 2 3 ठो माइनस, it is minus c square by a square. Okay, integration sin cx plus b e to the power x plus b dx. Mark, this is also I, ये भी I है. Can I take this to left side? Now I shall take this one to left side. So I got I plus minus जाएगा left side plus c square by a square I हो गया. And here you see e to the power x plus b by a square is common. ये दोनों, these two terms, ये दोनों terms, e to the power x plus b I took, then a square is the LCM, then it is a sin cx plus b minus c cos cx plus d. Okay, अच्छा, now you do manipulation left side right side. I into a square plus c square by a square इक्वल टू ये, राइट डाउन, ए स्क्वायर को काटो, आई का वैल्यू निकालो, प्लस सी डाल दो, जस्ट यू कैंसिल ए स्क्वायर, देन गेट आई इक्वल टू 1 बाय ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर, ये सब चीज. ओके, देन व्हाट शैल यू डू, गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ आई. उसके बाद आई का वैल्यू निकाल, जस्ट सब लिख रहे हो तो ऑल ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग.
Yes, sir.
So finally I become, finally what is I? So finally I become e to the power x plus b by a square plus c square whole into a sin cx plus d minus c cos cx plus d plus, अच्छा, already we have used letter C, क्या लिख देते हैं. Okay, very good question. In your board question will come a in place of a 2 और b जगह में 0 दे देगा, c जगह में 3 दे देगा, d जगह में 1 दे देगा. So this is the procedure in general. Okay, यही same thing I was telling, a board question है, e to the power 2x sin 3x plus 1. Write down this question. You will have to solve this. So solve करो. Next. Shall we go ahead? चलो. Your books question and board question. Can I write this as what formula you know? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Is it pi by 2? Use that. Use that. It is sin inverse root x minus cos inverse root x is pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Denominator में it is pi by 2 dx. Very simple. So it is 2 by pi integration sine 2 sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 dx. You separate this. It is 4 by pi integration sin inverse root x dx minus 2 by pi, pi by 2 cancelled, only dx. I take this is integration 1, this is integration 2. Integration 2 is x. Integration of dx is x itself. So only problem is to integrate sin inverse root x dx. We will do like this. Let जैसे sin inverse root x किए थे, sin inverse x we have done. Let sin inverse root x is t. So your root x is sin t and x is sin square t. Dx is 2 sin t cos t dt. That is sin to t dt. So my work is over. It is t sin to t dt. Come finish. You take this as first function and this as second function. Okay. And after that you change all t's to x. Okay. Then you solve. Mark this. Note down. Over. आगे चलते हैं. यह बढ़िया क्वेश्चन. आई बहुत बार एग्जाम में आया है. हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. मार्क. कैन आई राइट दिस एज रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाय एक्स फोर तो है ही. इट इज log x square plus 1 by x square dx. Can I write like this? Why? Because 2 log x is log x square. So it is log x square plus 1 minus log x square. What is log m minus log n? Log m by n. Got the idea? Now let us manipulate integration. I write this is, I will take x square out, so it will be x under root 1 plus 1 by x square. Am I right? Divided by x4 log 1 plus 1 by x square. Hey, it is coming in design. कुछ design में आ रहा है x cube. Now let me put 1 plus 1 by x square as t square. It will be easy. Why I take t square? Because of this root. Next, what is the derivative? X to the power minus 2 minus 2 x to the power minus 3 dx. It is 2t dt. 2 cancelled. Dx by x cube become dt with a minus sign. This x cube with dx become minus t dt. So my integration become minus root of t square, it is t, log of t square into t dt. So log of t square is 2 log t, you know. Log of m to the power n is n log m. Use that formula. So minus what it become, t square 2 आ जाएगा log t dt. This is my first function log, log वाला को first and t square वाला को second. Now you integrate, you will get the answer. First into integration of second minus whole integration derivative of first log t. When you do derivative, log हट जाएगा, log will go away, then you can integrate easily. फटाफट इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा.